let's talk about Now Assist at Knowledge24 here in May. So Asif, great to have you back. 4 questions, 4 minutes. So I heard there's going to be a Now Assist GenAI lab at K24. What will attendees be able to see in that lab? What will they be able to get their hands on, do you think?
Yeah, it's going to be a fun one. So we are really trying to pack a lot of content in there so that you can really experience the end-to-end solution of Now Assist for ITSM, right? That's everything from the requester to the agent, as well as the administrator.
Right.
Because we want to make sure that you see like, hey, this is not just a powerful thing, but this is something that can be deployed in a short amount of time.
Right.
And it really
and
is.
And it's hands-on. Like I remember some of the, I attended Knowledge back in 2016. It's hands-on, customers love it. So getting your hands on GenAI, game changer. I'm excited for that. Okay. Let's go for question 2 then.
Question 2.
So I'll be doing a theater session with Niki Patel, one of our colleagues. We'll be on the main stage. Scripts haven't been written yet. What do you want to see on the main stage being demonstrated for Now Assist?
Yeah, we've I've been doing these live on ServiceNow events, and we've been talking about Now Assist for ITSM there, and consistently now hearing from our customers, the things that are really top of mind for them are things like, hey, what are we doing for requesters? And can you tell me more about the virtual agent, especially that Now Assist experience within the virtual agent. So I really want to make sure that that is emphasized, because that is what our customers have been telling us during these webinars.
I appreciate the insight. All right, so done. I'll make sure I tell Niki. All right, question 3. What Now Assist features are you excited to see showcased at K24? So this is opening the kimono a little bit, maybe a little bit of safe harbor. Go ahead.
Yeah. I think I'll keep going back to KB generation. That is a product that every time I talk to customers, they get really excited about. Right? So I'm very excited to show more about what that fully baked solution is going to look like, especially as we start to think about from the moment it's published to the value that it's being created for your requesters, as well as those tier 1 agents. Because to me, that becomes like the epitome of shifting left, is that, hey, we have made this so easy to do, and we hope that every customer benefits from it.
And I'll close on this. You're not wrong, because anytime I'm at an event, I'm at a demo pod, I'm at a theater, time and time again, knowledge management is one of the key asks from many of the customers. So I think that's spot on. Okay, here we go. Closing words. This is going to be your first knowledge. What do you think? Thoughts? What's your imagination about knowledge from an outside in?
I'm excited. I'm also nervous.
Oh,
there's a lot going on, right? And what I want to do is make sure that we give a good experience to all the customers. And so I'll turn it back to you, Chad. Like, how can I best prepare for K24 so that our customers are really wowed at the end of the day, and they leave knowing and feeling empowered about Now Assist for ITSM?
So I'll close on this. This is a great question. So knowledge has always been for customers by customers. And so I wouldn't be nervous at all, because the customers definitely bring the heat, and we're just there to geek out with them. Like kind of what we're doing in these episodes. One of the best things about knowledge, whether it's at the demo pods or at the theater sessions, you get to get face-to-face, knee-to-knee with customers and geek out. And that is knowledge in a nutshell. So with that, I think that concludes our time. Comments, questions, concerns, anything that you want to bring up as a topic, bring it to Asif and myself on community. Asif, great to have you again. I look forward to doing another one.
All right, looking forward to it. Thanks, Chad.